Welcome back, friends. Checking out another product here. This is a milk frother, electric milk frother. So what this one does is we've been drinking some coffee lately. Got a little coffee bean grinder, and coffee's getting kind of expensive. So if you just buy the stuff so you can do it at home, save a little bit of money. So here we go. This one's got 4 little buttons on here. If you guys can see that, one is the it's a little snowflake on there. So the snowflake, that is for just cold milk, and you could froth it from cold milk. And there's a hot button there. It's just if you want to heat up your milk. And then it has this button here. It's got a cup with little white stuff on top. That's hot airy foam. And then the one on the top, it's got like the black foam there, and that's thick dense foam. So it also has a nice little lid on here. If you have those little frothers that you buy and you put in your coffee, you spin it and milk flies everywhere, and it's just, this one has a nice little lid here with silicone rim on it. You put that in there, turns on, nothing flies all over the place. It's pretty much automatic. You hit the button, it does its thing, and when you're done, you have nice frothed milk. So in there has that little frother device. And this is just sets on your counter. That goes on top of that. Push a button and you're done. But that's not all we're doing here, my friends. We're going to show you how it works. So let's go. Right, we're going to be putting half and half on there. And if you look inside, it has the marks for where you want to put it. So it has min and max. So we're just going to fill this up to the min, or right in between the min and the max there. And there's the min line, minimum, and maximum. So we're about halfway. Put our thing on, and I want thick, hot foam, so I'm just going to press that little button there. Oh, wow, it's really just going to town right away. It's super quiet, too. I mean, it's not like you're going to get up in the morning and turn this thing on and wake up everybody. So that's kind of nice. And there it's going. So it gets frothing away. And I'm not sure how long it normally takes. This is actually my first attempt here, but I believe when it's done, it'll just give us a little beeping. Well, I took some time while it's frothing to pour myself some coffee, and now we're just waiting. You can see the temperature is heating up a little bit as the, ooh, there it is, my friends. And it's definitely warm as the steam is rising, so it should be shutting off shortly here. Just wanted to demonstrate the oh, sounds like it's accelerating there. Oh, and there we go. Gives us 3 little beeps, letting us know that that is done. Look at that. Is it hot? I wonder. Look at that. That is nice. All right, so pour this in our coffee. It has a nice little spout on there. That is some thick, creamy, warm foam on top, guys. All right. And this is super easy to clean. And just rinse it out, basically, and just be careful not to get water, obviously, on that part or on the outside. So just kind of rinse it off and you're done. But look at that. That looks pretty amazing. Look at all the foam falling down into the coffee. It's beautiful. Well, I'm going to enjoy this. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.